Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights step by step so you can easily check who's been watching your saved stories. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your highlights are saved. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're using the one you want to view insights for. Step 2. Once you're on Instagram, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal profile page where you can access all your stories, posts, and highlights. Step 3. On your profile page, find the highlight section which is located just below your bio. Tap on the highlight you want to check. After it opens, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on the activity option. This section lets you see the viewers of your Instagram highlights. Step 4. Here you'll find the complete list of people who have viewed your Instagram highlight. If you don't see any viewer list, it usually means that your story highlight has expired or that no one has viewed it yet. Remember, you can only see viewers while the story is still active or recently added to highlights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more quick and easy app tutorials.